Before starting the video, I would like to request you to please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get more updates. Let's start with kinds of adjectives. See, in this week I have posted two videos on determiners and articles. I hope you have studied that well and have got the idea about articles and the determiners. So today the new lesson is kinds of adjective that we are going to learn. Let's start. So before starting in deep, we should know what are the kinds of adjectives. The first kind of adjective is adjective of quality. Next, adjective of quantity, numeral adjective, distributive adjectives, interrogative adjectives, possessive adjectives, and the last one is demonstrative adjectives. So let's start it with one by one. The first one is adjective of quality. Definition: the adjectives that are used to describe the nature of a subject or a noun, or showing the kind or quality of noun or pronoun, are called adjective of quality. Example: Lata Mangeshkar is a famous singer of India. Here, famous is an adjective of quality because it shows the quality of that singer. Some other examples of the adjectives of quality are loud, fast, hot, brave, etc. Here I have given you more examples of adjectives of quality. So I am going to give you 10 seconds to read it out. Start. The next kind of adjective is adjective of quantity. Definition: adjective of quantity indicates the amount or estimated amount of the noun or pronoun in the sentence. It does not provide information about the exact numbers. It tells only the amount of noun in relative or whole terms. For example, he borrowed some money from his friend. Here, some is an adjective of quantity. It tells us how much of a thing is meant. Some other examples also I have given here: enough, any, much, little, all, etc. The more examples of adjective of quantity are here. So again I am going to give you 10 seconds to read it out. Start. The third kind of adjective is numeral adjective. Definition: a numeral adjective is an adjective that tells us about how many or how much or in what order the noun is in. For example, the first match ended in a draw. Here, first is a numeral adjective because it shows the order in which a person or an animal or a thing stand. See, the first match ended in a draw. Here, first is an order, so it shows numeral adjective. Numeral adjectives also show number or how many persons or things are meant. Some examples: 1, 2, 100, second, tenth. In fact, all ordinal and cardinal numbers, last and most, etc. On this page, I have given you more examples of numeral adjectives. So again, take 10 seconds to read it out. Start. The fourth one is distributive adjectives. Definition: an adjective used to refer to each and every person or things separately is called distributive adjectives. Each student can borrow a book from the library. See, in this example, each is a distributive adjective because it donates each of a number. For example, in a school or in a library there are 100 students, so the example says that each student can borrow. That means whatever the students are there, for example 100 students are there, so 100 students can borrow the book from the library, so it donates each of a number. Some other examples are here: every, neither, either, etc. Some more examples I have given you here, so read it out. Each girl will get a chocolate. Drink water after each meal. He used to call me every day. She watches TV every day. I like neither of you. Neither of you are allowed in this class. I can't do it either. Either you do this or I will be doing it. I don't want your any advice. Do you have any money? So see, in these sentences, the colored and underlined words are distributive adjectives. So take again 10 seconds and read it properly. Start. The fifth one is interrogative adjectives. Definition: an interrogative adjective is a word that modifies a noun by asking a question. Example: whose car was stolen? Here, whose is an interrogative adjective. It is used before a noun to ask questions. Some other interrogative adjectives are which and what. Here, I have given you more examples. Read it out. Whose book was that? Which pen do you like more? What books are you buying today? Which team scored the higher in the last match? Which player did get 50 yesterday? What recipe did you choose to make this dish? Which song is Mahi listening to? What product did you order from there? Which topics are more important for the discussion? Whose pants did you wear? Whose phone did you use when you talked to me? So, these are the examples, and see, the colored and underlined words are interrogative adjectives. So, take 10 seconds and read it carefully. Sixth one, possessive adjectives. Definition: a word that indicate the position of the noun to a person or a few people. The children have finished their work. Here, in this example, there is a possessive adjective. It is used with a noun to show who has something. These adjectives do not take an apostrophe. Keep this in mind. Some other possessive adjectives are my, our, his, her, and its. See, on this page, I have given you more examples of possessive adjectives. My computer is not working as fast as it worked in the beginning. Our father told us not to quarrel with anyone. Your cycle has been stolen yesterday. Your child is not doing well in the school. We are concerned about his performance. The students of class 7 submitted their assignment. I could not understand her intentions. So these are the examples, and again the colored and the underlined words are possessive adjectives. So take 3 seconds to read it out properly. The last one is demonstrative adjectives. Definition: a demonstrative adjective is a special adjective, we often call it determiner, that identifies a noun or a pronoun by expressing its position as near or far. That also includes a time. Example: this car belongs to us. Here, this is a demonstrative adjective. It is used to point out the person or thing that referred to. See, in this example, that car has been pointed out. this car. Got it? Some other examples: these, that, and those. On this page, I have given you more examples of demonstrative adjectives. See, the singular and plural. If the things are near, we use this in singular and these in plural. If the things are far from us, we use that for the singular things, we use those for the plural things. See sentences. Give me that blue water bottle. This time I won't fail you. I want those gorgeous marbles. I wanted to propose you that day. These mangoes are rotting. Can't forget that incident. Those people were mean to her. I cannot give you money at this moment. The colored and underlined words are demonstrative adjectives. So, going to give you 10 seconds to read it out. Start.